Your Honor, this is cause number 2021-29199.
Okay. This is okay, cause number 2021-29199 in the interest of Anthony, Jocelyn, and Kimberly Cavazos. All parties and witnesses, please raise your right hands to be sworn. You solemnly swear to tell the truth, the whole truth, and nothing but the truth, so help you God.
Este es el caso 2021-29199, en el interés de Anthony, Jocelyn, Kimberly, Elizabeth Cavazos. Por favor, levante la mano derecha. ¿Jura decir la verdad, toda la verdad delante de Dios?
Sí.
Yes.
All right, ma'am, please state your name and your relationship to the children.
Por favor, diga su nombre y la relación de usted a los niños.
Mi nombre es Claudia Organista y soy la mamá de los niños.
My name is Claudia Organista and I am the mother of the children.
Let's see, counsel, your name and who you represent.
Yes, good afternoon, Your Honor. My name is Joaquina Rodriguez, and I represent the father and the respondent in this case, which is Ramon Cavazos.
La
He's
abogada
not- he-
Joaquina Rodríguez, representando al señor Ramón Cavazos.
And he is not present.
That's correct, Your Honor. He's currently incarcerated. He has been incarcerated since 2018 and received a 10-year sentence to TDCJ in 2020.
Okay. Court will note that the non-custodial parent, Ramon Cavazos III, is not present. He was personally served on May 27, 2021 at 9:47 a.m. Father's attorney is present. And what are we doing today? I'm sorry, and for the state.
Yes, Your
Representative
Honor.
State.
Jarquita Williams for the state, Your Honor.
All right.
Today, we are here to request this case to be transferred to district court. The parties have filed for a divorce and they want to handle all matters under that one cause number.
Aquí estamos para a ver si se transfiere este caso a la corte de distrito porque metieron un trámite de divorcio y quieren que todo esté bajo ese número de causa de divorcio.
All right, Miss Rodriguez, you have filed a divorce action
Yeah, that's correct, Your Honor.
on behalf of the father.
That's correct.
All right, then I'm going to transfer this case to the 12th District Court. And, well, we can't order the oral mediation, right? He's in jail.
That's correct, Your Honor.
Okay, we'll just transfer it, 312th District Court.
Okay.
Estamos transfiriendo este caso a la corte de distrito 312 y este caso se va a transferir.
Anything further?
¿Puedo decir algo?
Can I say something?
Yes.
Sí.
Okay, yo sabía que esta corte era para el child support y no tengo abogado para divorcio, pero me gustaría para el divorcio agarrar un abogado porque yo sé que él tiene una compañía, tiene cosas y cosas que le pertenecen también a mis hijos. Yo necesito agarrar un abogado para el divorcio.
I thought this was for child support. I didn't know this was for the divorce, and I don't have an attorney. I want to get an attorney.
Okay, ma'am. The divorce will include the child support and you'll have time to get an attorney. They'll let you know when you have to appear in court.
El divorcio va a incluir la manutención de los niños y usted va a tener tiempo para obtener un abogado. Le van a avisar a usted cuándo va a ser su corte.
All right. You're excused now.
Thank you, Your
Thank
Honor.
you. Thank you.
Yeah.
All right, Miss Williams, you handling the Flores case?
Yes, Your Honor, I am.
All right, this is cause number 2021-23648. In the interest of Camila Flores, all parties, please unmute yourselves and raise your right hand to be sworn.
Este es el caso 2021-23648. El interés de Camila Sofía Flores. Por favor, levanten la mano derecha
and unmute yourself.
y prendan su micrófono y su cámara si no está prendida.
Ms. Lopez, your
Prenda su
microphone is
micrófono,
not.
señora López.
Oh, mano derecha, señora Lopez. All right. Do you solemnly swear to tell the truth, the whole truth, and nothing but the truth, so help you God?
¿Juran decir la verdad, toda la verdad delante de Dios?
Sí.
Yes, yes.
All right. Ma'am, please state your name and your relationship to the child.
Señora, por favor, diga su nombre y la relación a usted, a la niña.
Mi nombre es Claudia López y Camila Sofía es mi hija.
My name is Claudia Lopez and Camila Sofia is my daughter.
Sir, your name and your relationship to the child.
Señor, ¿cuál es su nombre y la relación de usted a la niña?
Miguel Ángel Flores y soy el papá de Camila Sofía Flores.
Miguel Ángel Flores, and I am the father of Camila Sofia.
And representing the state of Texas.
Jarquita Williams for the state, Your Honor.
Y la abogada Jarquita Williams para el Estado.
We have an original petition, suit affecting parent-child relationship. What are we doing today, Ms. Williams?
Your Honor, the parties have stipulated to conservatorship, joint
Okay,
managing.
we're having a hearing. Is that correct?
Yes, sir. We're having a hearing, Your Honor.
Okay, are there any stipulations?
Yes, sir, Your Honor. The stipulations right now are joint managing conservatorship.
Tenemos un acuerdo que los padres van a ser conservadores gerentes compartidos.
The standard possession and access order.
Van a tener las visitaciones que ordena la Corte Estándar.
No retroactive child support.
No están pidiendo child support retroactivo.
And no findings of non-disclosure.
Y que la dirección de la señora no necesita que ser confidencial.
And those are all the stipulations, Your Honor.
And so what are the issues?
Your Honor, the issue today is child support. So
Okay.
the parties do not want to establish child support today. They only want to set the medical support. However, the state is opposed. The state wants an actual judicial order in place. However, the parties only want to orally agree to child support, but they do not want it in order. So the state is requesting for the court to actually allow us to order child support on today.
Aquí estamos de la razón que los dos papaces no quieren ordenar manutención, nomás quieren una orden verbal. El Estado se opone a eso y quiere ordenar una orden judicial que indica que hay una manutención mensualmente.
Okay. Ms. Lopez, you don't want child support?
Señora López, ¿usted no quiere manutención?
No,
No.
Why not?
¿Por qué razón?
porque entre yo y él hemos llegado a un acuerdo y estamos bien hasta ahorita, gracias a Dios.
Me and the father have come to an agreement and we've been okay ever since.
Okay, and what if the father decides that he's going to be angry and not pay you child support?
¿Y qué tal si el papá decide que él se va a enojar y no le va a dar manutención?
No, no lo creo.
No, I don't believe so.
So you don't think people get divorced? You don't think people get into arguments? You think people just continue to do what they're doing for the rest of the children's life? Is that correct?
¿Usted no cree que la gente se pueda divorciar o que se puedan tener un desacuerdo y que todo va a seguir igualmente todo el tiempo?
Tal vez sí, existe todo eso, pero yo pienso que por amor a la bebé lo estamos pensando bien y por ella es que se está haciendo.
Well, that could happen, but for the love of our child, this is what we've been doing, and I believe that will continue this way.
Okay, Ms. Lopez, I'm going to order child support. And if you
Señora-
don't want the child support, when you get the check, you just flip it over, endorse it, and give it back to Mr. Betancourt.
Señora López, la corte va a ordenar manutención. Si usted no quiere la manutención, usted lo puede voltear cuando recibe el dinero, dárselo para atrás al señor.
Understood?
¿Entiende?
Sí, entiendo.
Yes, I
All right.
understand.
All right. Have we even discussed the amount of child support?
Your Honor, I have discussed the amount of child support with the parties, but because they did not agree, I'm not sure if they actually agree on the amount.
Okay, so what is the amount that you have come up with?
Yes, Your Honor, the amount of child support would be 189 based off of the Benta Court's the minimum wage presumption. Child support will be 189 beginning September 1st, 2021, and cash medical support is set at $57 beginning September 1st, 2021.
Basado en la investigación, la manutención mensual basado al salario del señor Bettencourt debe que ser $189 por mes de manutención y $57 de médico, empezando septiembre 1.
Would that be your agreement, Mr. Betancourt?
Señor Bettencourt, ¿ese sería el acuerdo de usted?
Yo estoy de acuerdo con lo que dice Claudia, la mamá de mi niña, pero si es orden del juez.
I'm in agreement with what the mother of my child says, but if this is coming from the court,
I understand that you're in agreement not to pay child support, but I'm going to order child support.
Yo entiendo que usted está en acuerdo que no quiere pagar manutención, pero yo voy a ordenar manutención.
Okay.
And so it's based on minimum wage.
El salario es basado a salario mínimo.
Okay.
Ms. Lopez, are you in agreement with that amount?
Señora López, ¿usted está de acuerdo de esa cantidad?
Sí.
Yes.
All right, so we can get an agreed order then?
Yes.
So
Yes,
¿vamos
sir,
a
Your
hacer
Honor.
una orden de acuerdo de ustedes dos?
Sí.
Yes.
Okay, so I'm going to order child support in the amount of $189, cash medical support in the amount of $57, all beginning September 1st, 2021.
Voy a ordenar la manutención que sea 189 por manutención empezando el 1 de septiembre y $57 para la aseguranza.
And Ms. Lopez, if you don't want that money, like I told you, when you receive it, you can give it back to him.
Señora López, si usted no quiere ese dinero, cuando lo reciba, usted lo puede regresar para atrás a él.
Ok, tengo una pregunta, ¿puedo?
Sí,
Okay, I have a question, can I?
sí.
Yes. Sí,
Ok,
señor.
¿en algún momento yo puedo quitar esta orden de child support o no se puede?
At any time, can I stop the order of child support or I can't?
No,
No.
olvídate, señora. Él tiene que pagar. Si usted no lo quiere, se lo entrega a él.
Ok,
Porque si hay problemas después, entonces vas a querer venir a la corte otra vez. Vas a gastar el tiempo aquí de la corte, que tenemos bastantes causas que necesitamos que vengas otra vez en algún tiempo. Y tú no sabes si vas a venir o no vas a venir o qué va a pasar en el futuro. Esto ya está a la orden. Como le digo, si usted no lo quiere, simplemente entrégaselo a él. ¿Ok?
ok.
All right.
Okay. Por favor, sálganse de esta cita y entren a la otra cita para finalizar la orden.
All right. Thank you.
Okay, Arnold, did you ask the parties to sign back over into the other Zoom?
Yes.
Yes,
I
thank
asked them
you
to
so
sign back
much.
over to finalize the order.
Okay, thank you so much.
Your Honor, may I be excused?
Yes, sir.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Ma-
All right. Are you handling the Drury case, Ms. Williams?
Yes, Your Honor, if you're prepared for that now, we are.
Okay. This is cause number 2021-05860 in the interest of Devontae Drury. All parties and witnesses, please unmute yourselves and raise your right hands to be sworn. You solemnly swear to tell the truth, the whole truth, and nothing but the truth, so help you God.
Yes, sir.
All right, ma'am, please state your name and your relationship to the child.
My name's Darnisha Stills. I'm the mother of Devontae Drew.
All right, and representing the state.
Jarquita Williams for the state, Your Honor.
And mother is present by telephone, correct?
Yes, Your Honor.
Court will note that the non-custodial parent, Father Devontae Drury, is not present. He was personally served on May 19th, 2021 at 9:38 a.m. at 1251 Wilcrest Drive, apartment 113 in Houston, Harris County, Texas. He's not filed an answer, is that correct? Or made an appearance?
He has not filed an answer and he has not made an appearance, Your Honor.
Court will note that there was no delivery. No, they didn't. They want you to reschedule delivery, but it doesn't indicate that that there was any delivery. So we'll just proceed by just a straight no answer default.
Thank you, Your Honor.
Let's proceed.
Okay, Your Honor, the state would like to call Ms. Stills as its first witness.
All right.
Ms. Stills, what is your relationship to the child?
I'm his mother,
And who is the father of the child?
Devontae Drury.
Are you currently married?
No,
Were you married at the time when the child was conceived?
no.
How do you know that Mr. Drury is the dad?
Because we had unprotected sex, and he's the only one I was messing with at the time.
Is there any possibility that anyone else could be the father other than Mr. Drury?
No, ma'am.
Are you asking this court to establish the parent-child relationship between Mr. Drury
Yes.
and your son?
Yes,
Do you and Mr. Drury work well together when making decisions about you all, son?
no.
And
We have a joint managing conservatorship order here.
Joint conservatorship, yes. Are you asking the court to appoint you and Mr. Drury as joint managing conservatorships? Conservators?
Yes,
In other words, each party would have input as to, you know, as to making decisions regarding this child. Is
yes.
that what you,
That's fine.
that's what you want? All right.
Okay. And are you asking this court to order the standard in possession and access schedule?
Yes,
Okay. How is the child covered for health insurance?
he's on Medicaid.
Okay. And do you know whether or not if Mr. Drury is working?
I don't know that he cuts hair. That's all I know.
Okay. So you understand that child support has been calculated at $216 a month based off of the minimum wage presumption beginning on September 1st, 2021.
Yes, ma'am.
Are you aware that $57 has been calculated based off the minimum wage presumption for cash
Yes.
medical support?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, and are you asking this court to order retroactive child support?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, and has Mr. Drury ever paid anything to the child in the last 4 years?
Yes, ma'am. I'm gonna say like 2,500.
Okay, and so since September 1st of 2017 to the present, which is the statute for 4 years of retroactive child support, Mr. Drury has given roughly $2,500 for the expenses of you all's child.
Yes, ma'am.
Are you aware that retroactive child support was calculated using the minimum wage presumption from September 2017 until the present, bringing retroactive child support to $10,944. However, giving Mr. Drury credit for the $2,500 support, retroactive child support is $8,440.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, and are you aware that Mr. Drury will start paying towards their retroactive child support amount in the amount of $118 beginning September 1st, 2021?
Yes.
Are you asking the court to order that Mr. Drury be responsible for 50% of uncovered healthcare expenses for the child?
Yes.
Do you have any safety concerns with your address being listed in this order, Ms. Steele?
No, ma'am.
Are you asking this court to order that Mr. Drury pay all court costs?
Yes.
Are you asking this court to grant this default judgment?
Yes.
And is that because you believe this to be in the best interest of the child?
Yes, ma'am.
No further questions for this witness, Your Honor. I pass the witness.
Ms. Stills, this order has a retroactive child support in the amount of $8,444. Did you tell them that he had paid something less than $2,500?
No, I really gave him that 25. It might have been 100% that it's lesser than that, but.
Well, then that doesn't add up, Miss Williams. If he paid $2,500, then the retroactive child support will only be $7,868, I believe. Let's do the calculation right here now. 216 a month times 48 equals $10,368.
Yes, Your Honor.
Minus $2,500 equals $7,868.
$7,868. You are correct, Your Honor.
All right, so you need to change that order.
Okay, Miss.
And Miss Stilzer, you want me to approve the order?
Yes.
All right, the court will approve the order with that change. And you'll submit that today. Is that correct, Miss Williams?
That's correct, Your Honor.
All right, thank you.
Thank you, Your Honor.
All of the, okay, thank you.
No further questions. May we be dismissed?
Yes, ma'am.
Ms. Steele, can you call back over into the other Zoom? I need to correct your order amount.
Okay. Let me get this. I got a pen so I can write it down. Okay, the other order Zoom.
It's 892 0876 3897.
Okay.
Okay, call that Zoom back.
Okay.
Okay. Yes, Maria, we're waiting on Dad.
Is he on an iPhone?
Yes.
Okay, it's just that your last hearing, she was on an iPhone and she, I think, appeared here. So let me let this iPhone in. Hopefully it's him.
Okay.
Yeah, iPhone doesn't have audio.
It says connecting to audio. Let me see if I can chat him. Or Arnold, could you chat the iPhone and see if it's the NCP and he needs to connect to audio?
Yes, hold on. Okay, he connected.
Okay, Mr. Acuna.
Hello.
Okay, that's him. All right, Maria, he's